This recurring annual event on the second Tuesday of September marks the start of the new political year. It underscores the duties and responsibilities of Parliament and government within our parliamentary democracy. The new parliamentary year 2022-2023 is the 13th parliamentary year since the birth of our country on October 10th, 2010. And I have had the distinct privilege to have participated in all 13 in my capacity as Governor of St. Maarten. And today will be the last in that capacity for the opening of the new parliamentary year. It is my pleasure to congratulate all the parliamentarians and the people of St. Maarten with the opening of the new parliamentary year. It is at national moments like these that we come together as a people, one people, to reflect on our common objectives, common interests, and aspirations for a strong and united St. Maarten. Madam Chairlady, members of Parliament, the opening of this new parliamentary year comes on the heels of the 5th anniversary of Hurricane Irma and 2.5 years since the start of the coronavirus pandemic. Two disasters which have severely eroded the economic and financial foundation of our country and, as a result, affected the lives and livelihoods of our people.